Many people in missions get like that. Because human beings are passionate by nature. We're passionate beings. So we don't like to sit down on the move. Especially if you're 20 to 50, 20 to 60. After that, you're forced to slow down. Hormones, shifts, and all these things. But other than that, so how do you remember Krishna, all that passion? You're doing, but you're not really getting attached to Krishna. Not so good. But the people convince themselves, this is devotional service, but the real service is to become a lover of Krishna. Become a lover of Krishna. That's called Sarup Siddhi Bhakti. There's 5 types of bhakti. It's in Ragvartman Chandrika and also Bhakti Sandarbha. There's Sarup Siddhi, then Sangha Siddhi, and Sambandha, Bhava Sambandhi, Bhava. Like this. So Sarup Siddhi Bhakti means Shravanam Kirtan Smaranam. Hearing and chanting and remembering Krishna. It means reading books, chanting Mahamantra, chanting bhajans, lila kirtans, meditating on lila. This is prime best. Someone says, what's your service? I'm doing Shravan Kirtan Vishnu Smarna. Perfect, that's topmost. That very quickly attaches you to Krishna, very quickly gives you prema. Sarup Siddhi. This is the very form of perfection. But the emphasis here is on Bhava Sambandhi, things that seva, like painting Rath Yatra cards and all these things that people do. It's related to the goal, but it's not the goal. Because Sarup means it has the very form of perfection, but it also means that's what you'll do in your Sarup. Your Siddha Sarup, and your Siddha Sarup in the spiritual world. In your spiritual body, what will you do? You'll hear the glories of Radha and Krishna, sing about them and speak to them and remember them. Just as Radharani and Krishna do with each other, you'll do for them also. So that's ideal.